A very good morning to all of you students. As you know that in the last 10 I have started your chapter Open Office Writer Part 2. In this video I will continue the same chapter and we shall try to know about some more options present in Microsoft Word students. So here first of all we shall talk about the table, how to create the tables and how to work with the table. So student, let us start our first topic, creating. Next heading is working with table. So student, table is made up of rows and column in which data can be stored in tabular form, and Microsoft Word allow the user to create the table whenever it is required. So student, a table can be useful for enhancing your document. A table consists of vertical columns and horizontal rows. So student, there are two ways to create the table. First is to insert a table using table button. So following steps are taken to create the table. First step is that student, place the insertion point where you want to insert a table. Second step, click the arrow of table button on the standard toolbar, then drag while holding down the mouse button to highlight the number of rows and columns you want in your table. Third step is student, when the displayed grid represents the desired number of rows and columns, release the mouse button. An empty table will be inserted at the insertion point, and now by using the tab key you can enter the data which you want to fill there. Second step is student, second method is that to insert a table using the insert menu. So for this, following steps are taken. First is place the insertion point where you want to insert the table. Second is click the table icon on the standard toolbar or select table command from the insert drop down menu, or press Ctrl and F12 key together. This is the shortcut key for inserting the table student. Third step is that specify the number of columns and rows you want to insert in the insert table dialog box, and after that click on OK button. Whenever you click on the OK button students, an empty table will be inserted at the insertion point. So student, in this way we can add the table in Microsoft Word document. So after that students, once the table is created, you can do the many changes in your table if it is required. So students, first thing is inserting the rows. So once the table is created, you can insert the additional rows by following the steps. First step is student, we have to place the cursor in the row you want to be adjacent to the row new. Second option is second step is student, we have to click on table menu and choose the insert options and then rows. Whenever you click on the rows option student, here now in the insert rows dialog, specify the number of rows to be inserted in the positions. So student, after that we click on OK button. Whenever you click on the OK button, the appropriate rows will be added in the table. After that, students, second is inserting the column. So once the table is created, you can also add the new column anywhere in your table according to your need, students. So for this we have to place the cursor in the cell in which you want to adjacent to where the new column will be added. Second step is, student, again you have to go to the table menu and choose the insert options. Then we click on column option. Whenever you click on the column options, column dialog box will appear. Now here we specify the number of the columns, student, which we want to be inserted, and then we click on OK button. Whenever you click on the OK button, the column, suitable number of column will be inserted in your table, students. Next heading is here deleting the rows and column, students. So in this you can delete any rows or column of the table anytime whenever it is not needed, students. So for this we have to select the rows or columns which we want to be deleted, and again we have to click on select a table menu, and then we choose the delete option, student, and then we click on rows or column. Whenever you click on the rows or columns, the selected row or column will be deleted from the table, students.